Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Fan Edition for AT&T Prepaid. So the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition is now at AT&T Prepaid for $649.99 for retail price, no contracts of course. So if you guys like the Fan Edition Samsung phones, this is the phone for y'all guys to check out here. So yeah, so if you guys want a flagship phone with near flagship specs but don't want to pay a flagship price, y'all guys can check out the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition. So like I said, it's $649.99 full retail price, no contracts of course. So yeah. So that's the front and back. Looks like any other Samsung phone over the last several years. So you guys got front and back. You guys got the whole bunch of front facing camera there. Power and bank keys on the rest of the phone. Back of the phone has your triple camera system, camera flash, and your Samsung logo. It's available in this jet black color, so it's like a darkish gray color, so very nice. 128 gigabytes of storage, so for the base model is anyway, so pretty much standard for that. So and yeah, like I said, it's $649.99, no contracts of course. So yeah, that's the front and back of the phone. That's the right side and back. Of course, it has Galaxy AI, so you guys can do different things with that if you guys are interested in doing that. That's the front. Right side of the phone, power button, and your brain keys. It's talking about the Galaxy Buds 3 FE, so I'm guessing those are new, I'm guessing. So that's what the earbuds look like, very nice. And it has armor aluminum frame, and it has Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, so it will protect your phone very well. So that is one right there. And there's a video down there if you guys want to check out the video on the sign or whatever. Alright. So it says here, the new Galaxy S25 Fan Edition brings upgraded essentials to level up your everyday. Lightweight and sleek design provides Gorilla Glass Victus Plus and sturdy armor aluminum frame. Vivid 6.7-inch full HD display has barely there bezels to give you more room to see and do. Triple rear camera and 12-megapixel front camera and powerful AI tools help you make the most of every shot. Smart, powerful, premium features that make a difference. So there's nice there. Brighter 6.7-inch display with less bezel and thin, light, and durable design. You will have a 4900 milliamp battery, so pretty good there. The Galaxy S24 Fan Edition had a 4700 milliamp battery, so this has a 200 milliamp bump over the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition's battery capacity. So that's very cool. So it says here long battery life, short charge time, so that's nice. Power performance for your everyday. Sharp shots and vivid video with triple rear cameras. You guys see the camera specs on the thing there. If you guys need a refresher on that, it has a 12 megapixel front facing camera, a 50 megapixel wide camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 8 megapixel telephoto camera lens. So pretty good cameras up there. Gemini Live for instant real-time answers. So you guys can use Google Gemini on here if you guys want to. Y'all guys can use any AI assistant that you guys want to use. It comes with Samsung's AI, obviously. It comes with Google Gemini pre-installed. So if you guys want to do that, go ahead and check that out. The specs here, I guess this is new on way of AT&T setting it up. So now, if you want to check out each individual spec, you guys have to click on it and to see what it is. So dimensions here, it is 6.35 inches height, 3.02 inches width, and 0.29 inches depth. The Galaxy S25 Fan Edition weighs 6.7 ounces. Display 6.7 inches, 2340 by 1080 pixel resolution, Full HD plus Super AMOLED, 120 Hz refresh rate, 16 million colors. Go back to camera and video first. Come on. The camera and video here. There we go. The camera is a 50 megapixel wide camera with the f1.8 aperture, 12 megapixel ultra wide with the f2.2 aperture, 8 megapixel telephoto with an f2.4 aperture in that order. It goes from top to bottom. And then you guys have 8K video at 30 frames per second video capture, so you can capture 8K videos at 30 frames per second. So, that's really cool. So most phones like this would capture 8K videos at 24 frames, but you can get the full 30 frames per second. So, pretty cool there. I've never shot an 8K video before, so I've never done it before. So, just make sure that you guys have plenty of memory before you guys start doing that, because it will take a lot of memory on your phone. So, just be mindful of that if you guys are thinking about doing 8K video on your phone. Video playback is 8K at 60. Interesting. Front-facing camera, I just mentioned that earlier. 12 megapixel normal lens with f2.2 aperture. Unique camera features. You have optical zoom up to 3 times, digital zoom up to 10 times. Other shooting options, you have Bixby Vision, dual recording, so you can record with the front and rear camera at the same time. Really sweet there. Fluid hyperlapse, night, panorama photo, portrait video, pro video, single take, slow motion, and video. Alright. And now onto the battery. So like I mentioned earlier, the battery is a 4900 milliamp battery, so pretty good. You have up to 56 hours of talk time. Wireless charging, fast charging. It takes 25 minutes to charge from 0 to 50 with the 45 watt power adapter, which you will need to purchase that yourself because it does not come with one. So if you need a 45 watt adapter for this to work, that's for the wired charging. I think wireless charging is probably 25 watts. Maybe it does not specify. But it's 45 watt wired charging, so really good there. The Galaxy S24 Fan Edition had a 25 watt wired charging, so this has a major bump in that. So pretty cool. Processor, you will have a, get it in the frame here. You will have a Samsung Exynos 2400 processor. It's a Deca-core, which means 10 cores, which I've never seen that before. This is my first time ever seeing the frame with 10 cores, but if y'all guys have seen any other frames with 10 cores, let me know in the comments below. But it has 10 cores, so that's pretty interesting there. The memory, it has 128 gigabytes of internal storage, 8 gigabytes of RAM, so pretty much standard for this price range of phone here. So the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition had the same RAM and ROM, so no changes there. But this is the base model of the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition, so you can get more storage if you guys need it. The OS, if I can get this in there, it runs Android 16, One UI 8 out of the box. It most likely should have gotten One UI 8.5 by now. It'll get 7 years of updates all the way to Android 23, so that's a win. So if you guys like to keep your phones for multiple years, this is a phone for you guys to check out. What comes in the box is a USB-C to C cable, quick start guide, some ejection tool. So that's pretty cool. And there are more specs that we need to look at first. Wireless technology. It has AT&T 5G plus supported network bands, 5G, of course, 4G LTE. It's a broadband quad band, AC voice compatible, Wi-Fi calling, AT&T video call, Wi-Fi connectivity, Wi-Fi 7. So it has the latest standard of Wi-Fi right now. Wi-Fi 7 is the newest standard of Wi-Fi right now. It is 802.11be. Wi-Fi capacities there. You get 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz, 6 gigahertz, and 7 gigahertz Wi-Fi. NFC, you can use Google Wallet, Samsung Pay, stuff like that to make tap to pay and all that. Bluetooth 5.4, mobile hotspot up to 10 devices. Voice impression, Goodix, I guess that's how you say it. It has wireless emergency alerts. It takes an eSIM option. You can do eSIM or you can do a physical SIM, which takes a nano SIM card. It does have a SIM card slot for that, so you guys have options for that. So eSIM is the more convenient and also faster way to do it. So, but you can use Victus if you guys want to do that. Your sensors, you guys have a accelerometer, ambient light, barometer, fingerprint, which is an in-display fingerprint sensor. You have gyromagnetic sensor, gyroscope, Hall, and proximity sensors. Messaging and email, your standard stuff there. It comes with Google Messages pre-installed. That's your default messaging app on Samsung phones. Samsung Messages are no longer a thing because they recently got discontinued as of July 2026. Music options, you guys have YouTube Music and Spotify pre-installed. So if you guys use both of their services, that's, you guys have options for that. Accessibility settings here. Really cool. Sustainability and product codes. If you guys care about that, y'all guys can click on that. So yeah. So yeah, there is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Fan Edition, now available at AT&T Prepaid. So if you guys like the Fan Edition Samsung phones, this is the phone for you guys to check out. So if you guys want a flagship experience, near flagship experience, but don't want to pay the flagship price, the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition is for you guys to check out here. It has really good specs and features for what it is. Definitely worth checking out. It's a really nice looking phone. I have the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. I have that phone and it's great. It does everything that I want to do. It has great features and specs on it for what it is. And so, yeah, if you guys like the Fan Edition Samsung phones, this is a phone to check out. It's definitely nice. It has nice specs and features. And like I said, if you guys want flagship, near flagship specs, but don't want to pay the flagship price, this is the phone for you. Obviously, so you're paying $650 for it instead of over $1,000 for it. So, definitely worth checking out. And yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.